Hello folks, but today I'm gonna do Ultra Super Mega 7 Frizzabies flyby for ya. Woo! Here we go. Just watch. Woo! Did you see that? Huh. It was awesome. Just in case if it stops. Like, subscribe, goodbye. Ow. Prickles. I'm on the ground here barefooted. Yeah. Let me pick up all the 7 Frizzabies for you and do it a few more times for me, folks. Are you okay, folks? Jeez, that scared me half to death also. Oh my gosh, did you hear that? Actually, goodbye. I think that's gonna be it. Where is it? I got these because it's loud. Well, I guess I'll just do one more flyover for you. Bye, folks. Woo, goodbye. You see that? Alright, one more. Okay. Alright, well, that's it. Are you okay, folks? Gosh, yes, it's gonna have this like, woo! It's like, okay, well, I guess that's gonna be it anyway. There it is, right there. If you love this video, please hit like, subscribe, down in the comments because you love this video so much. And don't forget I'm super interested in diaper tech so much. So thanks for watching, and anyway, because of me, please don't forget that this was my videos, that's it. And don't forget what you like for us. Anyway, this is me, Mickey Mouse Boss, that's it. Bye, folks. Woo! Goodbye. Actually, one more. Please don't stop right yet. I have one more toss to you, though. Let's make sure you get it this time. Okay, that's it. Bye, folks. Woo! Goodbye.